Hi, welcome to the demonstration of the 32Soft Backflush Data Loader. This data loader uploads data into the QAD 18.22.13 Backflush Transaction screen. It is a perfect tool to streamline Backflush Transactions reporting and markedly improve efficiency. Because of the simple and easy-to-use interface, users can report large volumes of issued components and receive finished products into inventory at last operation at the same time. 32Soft offers two versions of the Backflush Data Loader. The first version was designed for processes, in that it is not necessary to modify issued component items. In other words, the system automatically pulls out all components per bill of materials. As this is an Excel spreadsheet, we can copy-paste information from one cell to another, or from another Excel file, of course. Let's do that and copy finished good items to report as completed from another Excel file. We can enter other information needed for the upload manually, such as employee and effective date. Shift is optional. Once we review our data for accuracy, we can upload into QAD. Simply click the Backflush button. As soon as we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a pop-up screen appears to select the database to connect to, and a login screen which uses QAD authentication logic to validate user ID. Let's go ahead and log in. Data validation will be performed before any information is uploaded. A pop-up screen is displayed showing the status of our upload, and it will indicate if the upload is successful or not. As with all 32Soft data loaders, the Backflush loader validates data in the cells against QAD, and it will return an error message if inaccurate data is submitted. Any cell containing inaccurate data is highlighted in red, and moving the cursor over the cell will display the reason for the error, as we see here. All errors must be corrected before submitting the data again. So let's go ahead and correct these errors. And once we are through, we will click again on the Backflush button. And this time the data loaded successfully. We can verify the transactions performed in QAD. We just select an item and click the Op Report button, which will return the 18.22.4.16 Operations by Item report. The second version of Backflush Data Loader was designed for lot-controlled items. Again, a simple and convenient user interface allows users to easily issue large numbers of lot-controlled items and receive final product into inventory at the same time. The program is equipped with a Component Download button, which brings the existing inventory of specified components to the spreadsheet to be used to build the final product. First, we need to fill in the header information, employee, effective date, which defaults to today, the item number. Shift is optional, site, line, and operation, and optionally routing, BOM, work center, machine, department, and inventory location. By default, the tool downloads inventory for components of parent item, but if all inventory is set to yes, then all inventory is downloaded from the range of inventory locations specified. Let's click the Download Inventory button. As soon as we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a pop-up screen appears to select the database to connect to and to log in to QAD. If we connect to the same database as before, the same user ID and password will be used successfully to authenticate to QAD. Validation will be performed for the header information specified, and if all is correct, the inventory from specified locations is downloaded. Also, if routing, BOM, work center, machine, or department were left blank, the values from QAD will be downloaded. The cumulative work order ID is also downloaded and displayed, and if it didn't exist, it is created by the download action. We then enter needed information for the upload in the header: quantity processed, quantity scrapped and rejected, and the reasons for it, actual or start time, and end time, as well as quantities to issue and to receive. Again, as this is an Excel sheet, we can copy-paste information from one cell to another. So, we can copy-paste the issue quantity from quantity on hand if all quantity is to be issued, or we can enter the issue quantity manually. And we can specify a lot or more to be received for the parent item. Once we review our data for accuracy, we can upload into QAD by clicking the Backflush button, and the Backflush transaction is run in QAD. As always, the loader performs data validation against QAD, and a pop-up screen is displayed showing the status of our upload. And as we see, our upload was successful. The Backflush transaction happens real-time, and we can verify the transactions in QAD. So we can see the received work order and the issued to work order. This data loader is a proven tool. We are happy to share client testimonials and provide multiple references. As demonstrated, 32soft's Backflush Data Loader is a fantastic tool that will streamline Backflush transactions reporting and eliminate confusion and errors. This tool will immediately boost productivity and improve the entire process. Without a doubt, it will significantly contribute to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com, and please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars, www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for taking the time to view this demonstration.